Hey guys, what's up? So I'm so excited about today's video because today I'm going to share with you guys an easy, simple, basic makeup that I do whenever I go to the beach. So this is like really bronzy, has some glow, very natural, a little bit of coverage mixed with some high SPF so you guys can be protected from the sun. But I have a little bit of color on my face, but it's very natural, it's very quick, it's very simple. So it's definitely very realistic. And yeah, this is a really beautiful beach look and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos. This week is beach/summer week. It's not beach week, it's summer week. So every single day from Monday to Friday, you're going to have a new video talking about something to do with summer. So I hope that you'll come back here tomorrow. And yeah, if you like this look and you feel like it's realistic and something that you would do if you were going to the beach and you wanted some coverage, honestly, sometimes I don't care. I go barefaced and I just put on sunscreen and I'm good to go. But sometimes, like if I'm going on a beach vacation and we're going to be taking pictures, this is what I do. So if you think that it's actually realistic, give me a big old thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this is going to be very simple. No primer, nothing like that. If you want to see everything that would take on a beach vacation, I do have a whole video about my beach vacation bag. I'll link it in the iCard because all week long it's all about summer/beach/fun. So I will link that if you want to know all the products that I would take. But this is one that's going to be very simple. This is completely realistic. This is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This one has SPF 50. So this is my base. Apply it with your hands if you want a light layer. This is going to give me my SPF at the beach and also even out my skin tone. So this is what I'm going to apply using my Sigma sponge. But you can definitely apply it at the beach with your hands if you want. Okay, once I've done that, you can kind of leave it at that. You can add concealer if you want. I'm gonna use the ColourPop medium 26 concealer, just a tiny bit, the smallest amount. I'm going to lightly set it, just lightly, very lightly. This is the No Filter loose powder from ColourPop in Banana. Now for the rest of this, it's mostly bronzers and whatnot. So I'm going to contour a little bit with the ColourPop bronzer in After Delight, very lightly, just in the hollows of my cheeks. This is my main squeeze right now. It's the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer in Sweet Tea. I love this so much. I'm gonna use the same brush and swirl it all over and apply it all over my cheeks. I'm talking about like a ton. This is what I do. On my nose, on my cheeks. On my forehead, along my nose. Whenever I want a little bit of a glow on my cheekbones, I go in with this Tarte's Pro Glow. This one is in Stunner. And I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, like the tiniest amount, pea size, maybe even smaller. Grab my finger and I'm just gonna add some glow to my cheeks. even use the sponge. So it gives me a little bit of glow. You can also put this underneath the CC cream so it's not so bright as well. After I do that, I use the LA Colors Cheek and Lip Tinted. I love this so much. You can put a little bit on your cheeks if you want a little bit of like a color. I just grab it with my finger and I dab it on. And then I grab a little bit and dab it on my lip. I finish off the lip with lip balm. This one is from LA Colors and I got this from the Dollar Tree. I am going to put whatever's left on my bronzing brush and just sweep it across the eyes. Then it's time for mascara. So you can use whatever mascara you want, whatever waterproof mascara you personally like. Just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because I have a tiny trial sample travel size that I still haven't gone through. And this is just literally what I do. Or don't put on mascara at all. It's whatever you want. You can just curl your lashes and not put on mascara. I'm gonna put on like the tiniest amount. Or a brown mascara. I love using a brown mascara. I don't have one right now, so I'm just gonna do like a light layer. Light enough that my lashes are visible, but not too much. You can mist your face. I'm using the MAC Prep, just so it lasts. So this is the completed look. I'm, like I said before, super simple, bronzy, very beachy, something that can be done very quickly. And I personally do it every time that I go to the beach. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for the continuation of Summer Week. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome week and you're enjoying this series. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.